It feels great to be back here. It's really exciting. Actually, we've got a beautiful day after weeks and weeks of rain. So it's just incredibly lovely to be here. Everyone's so excited. Everyone looks so beautiful. Everyone's made a great effort. It's wonderful. If I could go back in time and speak to my 21-year-old self, I'd say stop worrying, that there is a future, and no matter what the challenges bring, the future can be great if we all pull together in the same direction. But I was a great worrier at 21. And I thought I had no time. What I'd say to any student that was care experienced and they're leaving now and going into the world of work, I would say you matter, and what an incredible achievement it is to come from a difficult background and to make it and to graduate. You should be really, really proud of yourself and to go forth with that same energy and that same spirit.